Hello everyone and welcome to Coils. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys who I am and what this channel is all about. So let's start right at the channel name. My name is Coils. And the first part of that name is Cat, short for Catherine. So my name is Catherine, and Coils comes from when I was first starting this channel. I had my natural hair, and this channel focused on natural hair. But as you guys all know, now I am locked. But whether I am locked or loose natural, I have coily hair. I had 4C hair when I was loose natural. So that is why I coined my channel's name as Coils. Now, what is this channel all about? Thank you for asking. Well, first of all, this channel is largely focused on microlocks and more specifically, DIY microlocks. If you look back on some of the earlier videos, and especially my installation video, you will see that I installed my microlocks myself. And so I started my locks with twist, and I braided the bottom inch or so of my locks so that my hair would not unravel. And then my grid was not necessarily your typical like sister locks grid or the current grid that you see that is really popular now. I started my grid in rows in the back and then continued with parting in rows all throughout my head. But then not only will I showcase microlocks videos, but I want to start getting into loose natural styles, because as African Americans, we not only love microlocks, but we love a lot of different styles. And maybe my videos can inspire you guys to help others who are natural, not just microlocks natural, but loose natural as well. Embracing our mane, embracing our natural hair in whatever stage and phase we are in. And it's all about protecting your natural hair's health. And that's what my channel is going to be all about, making sure that we are doing styles that are protective, that are healthy for our hair, and making sure that we love our hair, no matter if it's loose natural or locked. And so yes, that's a little bit about what my channel is all about. Now, who am I? I'm glad you asked. So I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I'm also a music educator. I teach elementary music and beginning band. And so I love to bring you guys in sometimes to kind of show you guys what I'm doing as a music educator, because my co-music teacher and we have started a new channel, and it is called BU Music TV, and it is kicking up steam. Our most recent video that we posted was a song called Sing It, Clap It, Play It, and the children love it. I'm gonna put a link down below to let you guys in on the brand new channel that I've been working on with my co-music teacher. It is absolutely amazing. So if you have little ones, take them over to BU Music TV so that they can be showered with fun music activities. I'm also an artist. I love doing projects with my hands. I love to paint. I love to, as you can see, I love to do hair. And so sometimes I'd love to bring you guys in on some of the projects that I've been doing around the house and with some of my paint projects. And so be looking out in the future for some of the videos that I post. They will not all be about microlocks, because I believe that we are all whole people. And it's not just about one aspect of our lives, but, you know, letting you guys in on a lot more of who I am. So in the year 2023, be looking out for a lot of diverse content from me, because I would love to let you guys in on more of who I am, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and be looking out for more videos in the future. And until next time, bye.